Gagasi FM News.
Imbike engakaqinisekiswa ithi izibhedlela ezahlukahlukene zishonelwe iziguli ngesikhathi kunqamuka ugesi ezibhedlela ngenxa ye-loadshedding maqede angaduma ama-generator okulindeleke ukuba kube yiwo akhiqiza ugesi umnqamuka. Le mbiko ithi zingu-13 iziguli ezishonile esibhedlela iSt Augustine Ethekwini ngenxa yokuhamba kukagesi. Kodwa ngesikhathi izindaba zeGagasi FM zibuza ungqongqoshe uSimelane Zulu ngalolu daba uvumile ukuthi sebeluzwile kanti basalindele umbiko ophelele ngalo.
In fact, we received through the media that there have been some patients that have died because of load shedding. We are investigating that. But let me just indicate what is the actual protocol that all hospitals are expected to implement. Each and every hospital is expected to have a generator, and that generator is expected to kick in less than 20 seconds once the electricity goes down.
Kanti ungqongqoshe kuzwelonke uZweli Mkhize yena uthi kudingeka kwenziwe uphenyo olunzulu ngalolu daba ngaphambi kokuba luqinisekiswe futhi kukhishwe umbiko.
We need to get the specifics so that we can go into that. It has to be proven that it was linked to the generator. It has to be proven that there was death as a result of electricity outage.
Ezindaba zeGagasi FM ngingubongani Gina.
Gagasi FM News.